The bailiff in the original trial is the man who is being credited with possibly giving Carmen Mejia a chance to be proven innocent or get a new trial.
And it's been about 23 years that I had been waiting for this.
Art Guerrero was the bailiff in the courtroom where Carmen Mejia stood trial. It was his job to keep order during the proceedings. He heard all the testimony, and even though he's not an attorney, he says he knew something was wrong.
I did a lot of trials of DWIs, rapes, murders, assaults, and this is the one that stood out.
Today, Guerrero returned to court for one of many hearings where evidence and testimony will be presented that could overturn her life sentence.
The least thing that I would ask would be to have a retrial. That would be with good representation.
The Innocence Project fights wrongful convictions and is leading the legal battle on the grounds Mejia's conviction may have been based on so-called junk science. In 2005, she was convicted of murder in the death of a 10-month-old baby in her care. Jurors found her guilty of intentionally submerging the baby in scalding bath water and delaying getting help to cover up her actions.
There was testimony at her trial that this had to be some type of act of abuse, and what we heard today and what the new evidence has shown is that the medical evidence in this case is completely consistent with an accident.
Dr. Wendy Shields is an expert on home injuries and tap water burns. She testified today that the hot water heater temperature was set dangerously high. The recommended temperature is 120 degrees. Mejia's old hot water heater was set at 145 degrees.
Temperatures that were so high that a scalding burn, a fatal burn, could occur within just seconds.
At the crux of the case is whether testimony will show that it was an older child who accidentally turned on the hot water when the baby was in the bathtub. The Innocence Project says Mejia was not even in the bathroom. Attorneys are also counting on expert witnesses who have considered new evidence and revised their testimony, saying instead of murder, the scalding death could have been an accident.
We hope that this will one day lead to the overturning of Miss Mejia's conviction and that she'll be able to walk free.
Betty Cross, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.